Hey y'all, so I gotta get it in where I can fit it in. So I just wanted to give y'all some really quick tips on things that you can do to get money within your business while you're still building it. I know that a lot of people feel pressed for sales when they're first starting out, and I know having a little extra income could really help that. So let's say I'm going to use about 3 niches just to help you guys out. But let's say that you have a boutique, something that you can do to bring in more income. You can retail clothing, you can wholesale clothing. What else? You can sell old inventory. You can write an ebook on how to start a boutique, or you can do a webinar on it. Hey y'all. That is so weird. It says She Rich Digital, hello. And that's my page. That is weird. Let's say that my best friend has a cooking business. So she could do one-on-one classes and charge for that. She could do a cookbook. She could also do pop-up events for tastings and charge. What else? If you have a cosmetics business, you could wholesale your cosmetics for other brands to sell. Hey Denisha. What else could you do? You could you could help other businesses start in the cosmetics business by putting some type of starting bundle. A couple months, no, maybe last year, a couple businesses were doing lip gloss very heavily. I saw a lot of people doing like lip gloss starter kits. So you could do something like that. So the whole point of it is that you can do more than one thing. Like, just because, for example, I do graphic design doesn't mean I don't do other things to bring income into my business. Not only do I do graphic design, but I also do business mentoring. I also have my own boutique outside of this business. I also do other things. So these are my quick tips. Just think about how it can fit for your business and what you can do to bring more money in your business without stepping outside of your business. Because a lot of people will start dabbling into other niches, and you don't have to do that. If you guys saw my post earlier, it was basically about being the jack of all trades, but the master of none. While it's great to have multiple skills, you also want to, niche down into something. And it should make sense. Like, if you are a mindset coach, you shouldn't be posting about branding. So figure out what you can do. Maybe you can make some self-care journals. Maybe you can, what else could you do? One-on-one coaching, group coaching, self-care journals. You could do a webinar for people trying to change their life this year. Something that makes sense for your niche. It doesn't just have to be one thing. Offer more than one service or one product so that you can make more money from your business. So I hope this helps you guys. I'm gonna hop off, and I'll see you guys on the next live.